ACS is very different in that while they are heavy on the government relations front, on the traditional lobbying, engaged with the political parties and the movers and shakers within the legislature and at the administration level, they bring a sophisticated consultancy to our table, which is very hard to find.
As a government administrator, as a public official, ultimately, whatever a consultant gives me, I have to make the final determination. When you have people that truly understand government compliance, it makes it easier to take the advice from them because I know that they have the lens with all those different components on before they give me information. One of the main things I had them to work on was to do a community scan of the nonprofits that work in early childhood education and to get a better understanding of what their needs are, what they needed from Job and Family Services, and how we can better serve them. And so with their rich knowledge and experience of understanding our work and understanding the community, they were able to develop a level of questions, and they were able to engage the nonprofit leaders to get some really good answers to help us develop a plan to present to the Board of Commissioners here to ultimately improve outcomes.
They're a little bit different. They're not going to just contact us periodically or know a little bit about our work. They want to know it all.
When I think of why you engage a consultant in the first place, it's because you're wanting that person or that company to bring expertise to bear on your organization and the work that you do. And one of the most frustrating things in the world, and I've experienced this way too often, is that you bring a consultant in ostensibly, you're paying them, you want them to bring their resources to bear, and you wind up having to do more work because they're a consultant that doesn't know your business than if you'd just done it yourself. ACS is an exception to that. I know whenever I work with them that their ability to navigate through the complexities of the field of early learning is incredibly important for me because you don't have to start from scratch training them with all those nuances. They know it. And so really, when you engage in a relationship with them, you know that you're going to get the expertise that you think you're going to get in the scope of work.
Until you're really out there building relationships and putting all of the lessons into practice, it doesn't really make sense. Every legislator is different, and they all have a slightly different perspective on the exact same issue.
It's because we've been inside the sectors as in-house staff of those organizations that are now our clients. So there's not much you can tell us that we haven't experienced or we don't know quite intimately. And because of that, we're able to ask questions. We are able to push with that context and with that understanding. That allows us to develop a significant amount of trust because they know, hey, they understand what it's like to be in my office every day. They understand what it's like to balance the demands of my stakeholders, the people who I work with in my community. I really do think that's the point of entry for us and what makes things different.
I think ACS for us is a breath of fresh air. Typically, when we hire consultants in the States, the consultants that we hire tend to be solely focused on the government relations front, meaning that they're heavy on the lobbying side or very politically active. ACS brings those skills to the table for us, which we absolutely need, but they bring a whole host of skills that are very hard to find in consultants nationwide. So they bring healthcare subject matter expertise, and not just healthcare broadly, but specific to our issues associated with the Medicaid program. So again, it's the subject matter expertise, but also I would say that their understanding of the Medicaid agency has been extremely effective and is a rare trait for us. These are some of the reasons that we've stayed with ACS over the course of 5 years and through our growth.
We as a program have some opportunity to work with the Ohio Department of Health, but both because we don't have the staff and we don't have the access that Lori and Scarlett do, we needed assistance to carry our message and also to deliver guidance back to us. And they did that superbly well. And the program that you see in the state of Ohio now for home visiting is much improved as a result of the work that I think we were able to do with them and the state of Ohio has benefited.
Gloria and Scarlett were always the taskmasters in terms of figure out how to be able to say what you need to say in a very targeted, focused, impactful way.
We have to always be sensitive to our client relationships, and ACS helps us masterfully navigate that without impeding our business development goals, our branding goals, and just our general, what we call profile raising exercises.
Probably the two most important things are that our clients feel like they are our partners in work. They are not somebody that we do work just on behalf of. We actually work with them. We are side by side, hand in hand.
The last 10 years have been wonderful because I've been able to do what I love to do and working with organizations that I respect, that I value who they are and what they do. The issues that we work on are so critical to the community that not only I live in, but that many of our team members live in, that my family lives in. The impact that we see from the work that we do reaches across so many audiences that are so critical to me personally and professionally. And being able to choose who we do that with for the last 10 years, I've come to appreciate how unique that opportunity is.